Seat belt injuries were invented by George Haley in 19th century. Modern three-point seat belt used in most cars today was patented in 1955 by Griswold and you have been developed into its modern form by Bohlin. The three-point seat belt is inertial reel type which is allows slow movement but jams at a sudden drag. Silent features mechanism of production. That is, Reinstein's body keeps it away from potentially injurious objects like a steering wheel or windscreen. Spreads deceleration force over broad area of strap, reduces gravitational force, strap stretches during deceleration, time of deceleration, increases causing reduction of G forces, prevents ejection. Reduction in risk of death. 40% of Nancy Cruzan died. She was not wearing seat belt, although seat belt decreases the risk of aortic injury. The same is not true of side impact crashes. Seat belt syndrome caused by lap strap seat belt, similar to the frontal collision. Driver forced forward violently, jackknives over the lap belt at the waist. Injuries, lap belt syndrome. Surface injuries to lower abdomen, abrasion contusion, hematoma. Injury to abdominal viscera at the middle lumbar level, avulsion, contusion, perforation and tear of intestine, bowel transection, particularly near point of fixation. Example, duodenum suspensory, muscle of duodenum, ligament of Derritz, cecum, ileocecal valve and root of mesentery, omental and mesenteric lacerations, laceration of spleen, liver, pancreas, cecum, bladder, rupture of abdominal aorta, vena cava, popliteal artery, diaphragm, especially left. Every diaphragm fracture at dislocation of thoracic and lumbar vertebra, that is chance fracture. Spinal damage causing paralysis. Most characteristic triad of injury associated with the rapid deceleration against a fixed fulcrum is a spinal trauma. Chances factor. Seat belt, aorta and bowel injuries caused by modern three-point belt. These were developed to minimize incidence of seat belt syndrome. Abdominal injuries were decreased, but the diagonal strap introduced new injuries. It contributes to hyperflexion and hyperextension of the neck. Fracture of cervical and upper thoracic vertebra, carotid laceration, brachial transection, injury to brachial plexus axis, strangulation. Children may slide under the lap strap and diagonal strap passes across the throat may cause accidental strangulation. Strangulation by seat belt. Thank you.